UGA program was initiated in 2004 based on some needs that were expressed by the Georgia Biomedical Partnership and research at the University of Georgia on ways to enhance corporate development and the bio-life science industry in Georgia.
Our regulatory program is designed for working professionals. It is at least 95% online using the course management system that the University of Georgia employs. We are getting and attracting students from pretty much across the globe, primarily here in Georgia for sure, but we have students who are internationally based. We have those on the West Coast and in the Midwest, and of course up and down the East Coast as well.
I was looking for another angle to my career, and then I found it very suited to pursue regulatory affairs. During the classes, they will have lectures that is devoted to pharma, lectures devoted for medical devices, and some classes during the biologics. All of these regulatory industry are just, they have the same framework. It's just different angle, and I enjoyed every single component of the class.
So the faculty for this program is very unique in that we use both our regular tenure track faculty in the College of Pharmacy as well as professional faculty from the field.
I have taught before in different settings within the industry my entire career.
I have a bachelor's in physiology, a master's in bioscience.
I've been practicing healthcare law for over 25 years.
Part of my career was pharmaceuticals, the other half was medical devices, and now I run my own firm as a result of that, where we do consulting and teaching.
I was general counsel at the Medical College of Georgia Health System in Augusta, Georgia, which is a large academic medical center, for 5 years before coming to Atlanta.
Went into industry, ran a contract sterilizer for 8 years, general manager, plant manager, and so forth.
So I bring a lot to the party in terms of not only my education, my involvement with actually writing some, or rewrite, I guess, of some of the regulations over time, as well as some of the guidance documents, and then obviously input to practices which I myself had to execute and continue to execute and educate others in.
So the real world experience that our professional faculty bring combined with the research intensive mission that University of Georgia has really makes a nice combination for the person who's graduating from our program here at the University of Georgia.
Coming out of the program, the first thing that I'm looking for or think that I'll come out with is a solid understanding of the regulatory affairs field, opportunities that are available.
If I were an employer looking for a regulatory affairs official, and knowing as I do how this program is put together, I would think they would have already a big head start in a number of respects. Because so much of the content is made via state-of-the-art delivery systems, they are learning a fluency about a way of communicating that they can translate into their jobs.
The thing that I enjoyed mostly about the program is just can stop the lecture, go do something, and go back and listen again to the lecture. You can start from the beginning, at the end, or from the middle. As I said, it just seamlessly and brainless, just listen to the lecture anytime, any place, and enjoy listening to the science.
I think anything that allows a person to pursue the regulatory affairs program while also maintaining a full-time position or another degree or other interests is a plus.
I have in several circumstances with some of my client base now said, if you can get a student out of this program in regulatory affairs, you want that student.
I would think, wow, someone who has this degree from this kind of program, I'm confident they're going to be self-starters and they're going to blend well and fit well within my organization and hit the ground running.
I think we have an outstanding program.